adventures.
Oh, such a boring day. Ding, ding, ding. I got an idea. I must go to the park and play with my construction toys. It's going to be so fun. Let's go to the park and play with our construction toys. Hi, Kathy. This is Mr. Ben, this is Mr. Ren, and this is Adducci. Me, they are responsible for doing all of this. So, how's it going, Ren? It's going pretty good. What will you do? Can you get a singing mixer? Oh, why not? I'll bring it. Presenting the Master Cement. So let's see how he loads it. It's a very nice cement mixer. It doesn't need 3 ingredients. It only needs 1. Oh, how did you make this? Oh, will it be nice? Yes, it will. So it is a magical cement mixer. It turns sand into cement. Let's load you up. So hi, Adducci. Now let's build something. It's too much with sand, right, Adducci? Right, you are. And this is the dump truck I loaded up. We can use this sand and build maybe a creative home. Sand getting loaded up. I also loaded this big dump truck which can load all of it. Sand. See what I've got. I got so much construction. Warning, no touching this. Warning, that's dangerous. So we have so many vehicles. Are you ready to play with them? Let's use our excavator to scoop up the remaining stuff. Now we have to deliver it all over here town. Are you ready for a surprise, mister? What surprise? Surprise. And my name is Adducci. We have it's a cement mixer again. Now we have a no touching me sign. Look, this is a bulldozer. Look, it has even nice wheels. Not wheels. These are trucks. They don't run on wheels. Remember that in mind, kids. Now we have a backhoe. Look, backhoe later. Now we have an excavator. This is Ben, and he looks after all of the vehicles in the construction site. Look, it's a caution sign, so be careful. The excavators can move around. I love my excavator ride. So now, let's talk about these. These are barriers. They are used to, if something you cannot cross, a lot of them are used to block you from going inside of it. You can't go in. Do you know these things at the back? I think they're used to buttons, maybe. Answer in the comments section below. Don't forget to check the link below to find more of my fantastic videos. This lift, I think, can hold this. Can it? Yes, it can. It's called the crane. It can transport stuff up and down. It's a forklift. It is used to bring construction workers up and down a building. He is going everywhere in 3 times. Nice. Let's push it out of the construction zone. This is the building space. So look, we have an excavator. This excavator is very big. It's used to scoop up sand. Now, let's wait until it scoops up some sand. Look at it. Now we have a small dump truck. Let's pour it into a big dump truck. There is a big dump truck. So that means we'll need a lot of excavators too. Let's mix it. Good, now it's possibly ready. Oh, looks like a little bit of cement came on the top. Don't worry, we have a no hand touching sign already. I got an idea, kids. Another construction toy. Here is a backhoe. It's usually like similar to a bulldozer, but instead it scoops it up and keeps it. Then it puts it down. Look, it's scooping so much of what we have to do. Now it scoops in this much right here. Look, it scoops so much. Now we'll into the dump truck. If you really like watching my awesome videos, please make sure to like and subscribe and search for my name, Adducci. And remember, this is me zooming out to my mom's house.